The objective of the 2 days roadshow is to bring services closer to you and to allow you to make use of the services offered by government and partners present. Government has always been concerned with the challenges faced by some of our rural communities and in accessing government services and the amount of time and money spent to access those services. This was a major consideration when the idea of holding road shows was mooted. The teams present today at the Nadogo School ground are here specifically to offer services and provide advisory in your areas of needs. Additionally, the presence of government agencies and partners is intended to bring a holistic approach to address issues that have been affecting your daily lives. There is an abundance of natural resources within Macuata province, which can be utilized to improve the standard of living and the quality of life within the rural communities. The onus is on us to use our time wisely and make the most of the opportunities that are available to us. The parents and guardians, find some quality time to spend with your children. I say this in view of the so many children and youths that are dropping out of school or are at the wrong side of the law, which could have been avoided had parents spent more time with their children. Government has provided free education for the first time this year for primary and secondary school students, and I urge parents and students to take advantage of this opportunity. There are also opportunities available within our educational institutions that provide other forms of training which can assist you to set up your own business in areas such as agriculture, fisheries, and within the economic sectors. I had served as the Commissioner Northern Division for over 3.5 years from 2008 to 2011. My term as Commissioner Northern ended in 2011, but it does not mean that I will forget our Northern Division completely. I will always remember you, and in fact, the North has always been a part of me. My time as your Commissioner was not plain sailing, and I had many challenges. But I was comforted by the fact that the posting brought me closer to you, the grassroots people, and enabled me to support government's Look North policy, which gave birth to the Northern Development Plan, aimed at ensuring that the developments within the Northern Division was properly targeted and coordinated. You are now witnessing the realization of some of the development initiatives which were planned from 2008 and implemented over 5 years from 2009 to 2013. Within the last 5 years, government had allocated more than $260 million for the development of Macuata province or the area or associated with the province. This includes the upgrading of the number 1 Raketi highway at the cost of around $228 million. And some of the current developments within the province include the electricity grid extension from Senganga to Raketi, which costs around $14 million, the crossing the road, the Nambiti-Nasingasinga Road, and the grid extension to Motor Village, which I understand has been completed. Last year, the Honorable Prime Minister opened the telecenter here at Nadogo Secondary School, aimed at increasing information accessibility for our school children and communities at large. In addition, regular upgrading of rural roads by the Fiji Road Authority will continue and should help ease your travel and the transportation of your products to urban centers. Some of the roadworks currently in progress include the Langi-Nuksera Road costing $400,000 and the Nambuni-Songasonga Road at the cost of around $100,000. There are also plans this year to extend the Langi Health Center by constructing a new duplex nursing quarters. Government has also allocated a sum of around $2 million for the establishment of the Senganga Township. Some of the smaller and medium-sized projects that have been implemented include Hamid's Poultry Farm in Siberia, the Nalemba Youth Hatchery, and the Beehive projects in Undu, Senganga, and Raketi. Government has an obligation and is committed to continuing with its development programs both within the urban and the rural communities. Consequently, and by extension, the Commissioner Northern's Office is currently formulating a 5-year development plan to enhance and expedite the developments in the Northern Division. Development, ladies and gentlemen, to be meaningful must be adopted through a partnership approach. This ensures that all parties involved in the development take ownership and be appreciative of these projects. Only then will development programs be sustainable and their benefits fully realized. We all have a responsibility in development, and communities therefore are partners in all of government's development programs. As you are aware, government has announced that the 2014 general election will be held on the 17th of September. A team from the elections office will be coming around to assist you. For the first time, our youths from the age of 18 years will be casting their votes, and this is part of government's desire to involve our youths in the process of governance. I urge you all to take part in this important event and make your choice heard in electing the new government. It is your duty to vote, but you must be informed to be able to vote wisely. As part of your preparations for the general elections, you must take the time to understand our new constitution. I understand that there will be copies available to you from the Ministry of Education booth. In concluding, I wish to remind us of all our responsibilities once again. Ladies and gentlemen, we must always be reminded of our responsibilities to create a better Fiji for all. It is incumbent on us as citizens to promote harmony and goodwill within our respective communities. A better Fiji is one that is founded on love, tolerance, and integration. Together, we can make a better Fiji a better place for all, now and into the future. Once again, I take this opportunity to thank all of you for coming in large numbers this morning. I wish to inform you as well that there will be a Talanoa session over the next 2 days where you will have the opportunity to raise your issues and concerns with the heads of government agencies that are here. It is my fervent wish that the next 2 days will allow for fruitful interactions between you, the members of the communities, and government officials and partner agencies that are present. Go out to explore what is available, visit the stalls, and engage with officials who are here to assist you. I now have the pleasure in declaring the Wainikoro Roadshow 2014 open.
So it is from where? Some are from overseas.
Yeah.
Sampol nganggo kasara mungkin namanya siru terus apa tuh mereka ngaku bunyi kau bawa tunggu ini mille.
Roadshow Nicolo teki busar ngamai.
CHAND Agriculture System.